Today for the Explore the Wild series, we're at Nottoway Lake, sometimes referred to as Lee Lake, located in Nottoway County. It's one of the many lakes throughout the state that is owned and managed by the Virginia Department of Wildlife Resources. Hi, I'm John Kirk, Statewide Access Coordinator. Nottoway Lake is a 188-acre lake about an hour's drive out of the Richmond area. With its wooded shoreline and extensive cover, it offers the opportunity to catch a wide variety of warm water species. Today we're joined by Hunter Hatcher, the DWR fisheries biologist for the area, to tell us a little bit more about the lake.
Here at Nottoway Lake, we have 2 fishing trails, an accessible fishing pier, as well as a good concrete boat ramp with a courtesy pier. This boat ramp provides access to the lake for vessels with outboard motors up to 9.9 horsepower, as well as paddlecraft. Nottoway Lake offers warm water fisheries for largemouth bass, bluegill, red ear sunfish, black crappie, and channel catfish. Most notably, the largemouth bass fishery within the lake has experienced an increase in abundance with a decrease in average size in recent years. This creates the opportunity to come to this lake and catch good numbers of fish, but the potential for trophy size still exists, with fish up to 25 inches collected during spring 2020 electrofishing efforts. Additionally, the channel catfish fishery is maintained annually through stocking. The lake has abundant standing timber, which provides fish habitat and also adds to the scenic nature of the lake, but it can make navigation complicated.
For those of you looking to make a day of it, when you visit Nottoway Lake, please be sure to check other local Department of Wildlife Resource sites, such as Sandy River Reservoir, Amelia Wildlife Management Area, and Amelia Lake, or some of the Department of Conservation and Recreation's great access opportunities at Twin Lakes State Park, High Bridge Trail State Park, or Sailors Creek Battlefield State Park. When using DWR sites, please be courteous to your fellow users, wear your life jacket, and have the appropriate safety equipment with you. Read posted rules, and remember, an access permit is required. For more information about Lake Nottoway and other DWR access opportunities, please visit our website, and I hope you enjoy exploring the wild.